We built our blog, but there is a small problem. When we create a new post, it does not show up in other browser tabs, so the UI becomes outdated unless we refresh the page. Phoenix framework already has a built-in tool called PubSub that solves this for us. No need to write custom WebSocket code or extra JavaScript. It just works. So let's introduce PubSub. At a high level, PubSub, short for Publish Subscribe, is a messaging pattern. Instead of components talking directly to each other, they publish events to a topic, and any subscriber to that topic gets notified. It decouples producers from consumers and gives us real-time updates almost for free. First, we go into our blogs.txt context and define two module attributes. We set that PubSub to our PubSub server and add topic to blogs. This topic acts as a shared channel. Anytime something changes in blogs, we will broadcast to this topic so all subscribers like index pages or home feeds can react. Next, we define a subscribe function. Here, we are simply telling Phoenix, subscribe the current process to the blog's topic. Any LiveView calling this will start receiving events related to blog changes. When we add a second subscribe function that takes a blog ID, instead of subscribing to the global topic, we subscribe to a more granular topic like blog ID. This lets us scope updates to a single blog, for example, a show page that only cares about one specific record. Now we define broadcast. This is where events are published. We broadcast twice, once to the global blogs topic for list updates and once to the blog ID topic for detail views. This dual broadcasting ensures both collection views and individual views stay in sync. Next, we introduce a helper function, tab_broadcast. This function pattern matches on the result of operations like create, update, or delete. If the operation succeeds, we broadcast the event and return the same result. If it fails, we just pass the error through unchanged. This keeps our business logic clean while injecting real-time behavior as a side effect. Now we integrate it. We pipe our delete blog, update blog, and to create blog functions through tab broadcast, passing appropriate event names like blog deleted, blog updated, blog created. This ensures every mutation automatically emits an event. Next, we move to our index.txt LiveView. Inside mount, we add if connected, passing socket, blogs.subscribe. This is important. LiveView mounts twice, once statically, once when the WebSocket connects. We only want to subscribe when the socket is live. Then we define a handle info function. This function listens for PubSub messages. We match on events like blog created, blog updated, and blog deleted. Then one of these events comes in, we fetch the latest blogs again and update this socket. We use stream with reset true to replace the list efficiently. So now any change is automatically reflected in this view. We repeat the same pattern in home_live.txt since it also renders a list of blogs. Now for the show.txt LiveView, in mount we subscribe to a specific blog using its ID. This ensures we only receive events relevant to that blog. Then we handle updates. For blog updated, we simply replace the assigned blog with the new version. This keeps the UI in sync without a reload. For blog deleted, we handle it differently. We show a flash message informing the user the blog was deleted, and then redirect them back to the home page. This prevents the UI from showing stale or non-existent data. And that's it. We have added real-time updates across our application using PubSub without writing a single line of custom JavaScript. Now let's test in multiple browsers. And you can see changes appear instantly everywhere. This is where Phoenix framework really stands out. Real-time features, but simple to build.